Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Miracle Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the words those are mispronounced in mathematics. So let's get started with the word. And the first word, as you can see, is the word axiom. So the first word is axiom. Axiom is actually a principle that is believed to be true. The second word is corollary. Corollary. Corollary is actually a fact that is natural or direct result of another one. Corollary. The third word over here is perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle, triangle. So perimeter is nothing but a boundary of something. That is perimeter. There is another one related to it that is called as parameter. Perimeter and parameter. Now this one over here is called as parallelogram. 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 The stress is on le. So here is the stress. Parallelogram. Hyperbola. Hyperbola. So the stress is on per, pronounced as hyperbola. Parabola. Parabola. The stress is on re, and it is pronounced as parabola. Bola. Bola. Parabola. Hyperbola. This one over here is pronounced as square. 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 Now over here, I know you must be knowing this one, but there is a problem in it that you put the wrong stress at the wrong syllable. It is not integer, but it is integer. Integer. Now this one over here is diameter. I already told that in one of my videos. Geometry, trigonometry. So let's move to this one. Now this is circumference. Circumference. Now this one doesn't look to be very difficult actually, but there is a bit of a thing that you need to take care of while you're pronouncing it, and it is pronounced as cal, care, care, not q, care, calculus. Stress is on the first syllable. Calculus. Calculus. Okay, this one. The same thing over here. Circular. Circle, circular. Care and not Q. Circular. This one is pronounced as addition. Like add, addition, nope. Add, but addition. Addition. Add, addition. This one over here is pronounced as trapezium. Not pisium, but pisium. Trapezium. 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 Okay, this one. Monomial. 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 Binomial. You can't pronounce this one as monomial or monomial. It is monomial, 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 binomial. This one over here looks to be very simple, but I know you're going to put a wrong stress on the wrong syllable. It is actually not algebra, it is algebra. The stress is put on the first syllable over here, algebra. And this one is algebraic. Algebraic. So the stress is on rake, ray over here or ray over here, right? Algebraic. Algebra, algebraic. Oh, this one I know you know it. Cone. Everybody knows it. Cone or cone. Well, what about this one? How do you pronounce this one? Conic, right? No, it's not conic. It's conic. Cone, conic. See, there's a difference actually, right? Fine. This one over here is pronounced as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. It ends with a z. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Once again, hypotenuse. 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 Okay, this one is pronounced as isosceles. Isosceles. Lees. I stresses on saw. Isosceles. So isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now over here it is equilateral. You might end up, when you are learning pronunciation, at that time you might tend to change the la into lay or la, because there are many possibilities of it. So just a reminder, you need not do that. It is pronounced as equilateral and not lateral something, because many a times la becomes lay in some of the words. So you need to be careful not to oversimplify stuffs. Equilateral. This one over here, the problem with it is that you put a wrong stress. I probably assume it. It is symmetry. Symmetry. The stress is on the first syllable. Symmetry. And in the same way, the stress is put on the first syllable over here, and it is called as cylinder. Cylinder. Not cylinder or something. So it's the stress is on the first syllable. It is cylinder. Once again, let's go through all the words in a go. Axiom, corollary, perimeter, parallelogram, hyperbola, parabola, square, integer, diameter, geometry, trigonometry, circumference, calculus, circular, addition, trapezium, monomial, binomial, algebra, algebraic, cone, conic, hypotenuse, isosceles, equilateral, symmetry, cylinder. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you once again for watching the video.